Assalamualaikum and very good evening. My name is Siti Noor Ashiki Veterinary Hasrin and the metric number is 960909106658001. I'm from the program of the Bachelor of Manufacturing Management with Honors, and the course that I perform is a new product development, and I choose the EB Asia, which is the battery electric vehicles as my the project. The sustainable is product development. What is it? There is the quality and the cost and the performance are not only the focus by the manufacturers nowadays, but the consideration of environmental sustainability throughout the entire product life cycle, which also an important aspect that taken in the modern product development. What the objective of the sustainability? The first one is the reduce the carbon emissions. The second one is to improve the energy efficiency. And the third one is increase the recyclable material. The fourth one, the support the economy. The fifth one, to achieve the environmental regulations. This concept evaluation stage, which we will determine which the product idea that contribute the best advantages between the customers specification requirement, feasibility, manufacturing capability, sustainability, and the profitability. They are three concepts that we are considered. The first one is improve the internal combustion engine, ASIA. The second one is the hybrid ASIA. The third one, we try to make the battery electric vehicle, which is the EV ASIA. By select the better concept, it can prevent wastage in expensive redesign and reduce the development risk for the next project. The PUGH metric enables the engineers to compare the several concepts objectively without requiring the complex numerical calculations. Although the E-ASIA requires the greater initial investment, it clearly outperforms the conventional alternative in environment performance, long-term market potential, and the government support. As we can see that the EV Asia contribute the most in the PUGH metric evaluation. So it achieved the highest overall of the performance except the manufacturing complexity. Unlike the PUGH metric, the weight decision metric assigns the different level of the importance to each evaluation criteria. Sustainability received the highest, weighing may cause the environmental performance is the key strategy objective of this project, which is 30% over the customer demands at 20%, the manufacturing feasibility is 20%, cost 50%, and the profitability of which result in 15%. The final scores confirm that the V-ASIA offers the best balance between the technical feasibility, commercial potential, and environment. The EV-ASIA received the higher overall, which is the weighted score is 8.65 over the 10 and therefore selected for the development. The early concept selection influenced the every subsequent stage of the product development. Choosing the wrong concept can increase the development cost, delay product launch, and reduce the customer satisfaction. Conversely, selecting the appropriate concept enables the engineer to optimize the product performance, minimize the waste, and improve the manufacturing efficiency throughout the development process. This is the sequences of the product development, which we will select the concept and we will design the product and goes to analysis, went to the prototype development, testing, and validation. After that, we will manufacturing the product. Throughout, after we manufacture, we will promote through the market. We introduce to the users about the new product, and after the users receive the product, we will continue to improve the product so that it will not decline when the customer receive or try the another product. Selecting a sustainable concept change the objective of the design team. Instead of maximize the performance alone, the engineers must stimulate or reduce the environmental impact throughout the vehicle entire life cycle. Digital engineering tools reduce the number of physical prototypes required, saving the material, energy, and development time. The sustainable design from the EV Asia is we will lightweight the vehicle structure. We will place the lithium iron phosphate battery technology into the EV product. We will hide the efficiency of the electrical motor, and we design the vehicle into the aerodynamic and the interior of the materials. For the interior, we will use the recyclable, and we will confirm that is a manufacturing rich energy efficiency. How we sustainable the prototype, we use the computer aided design CAD, computer aided engineering, digital twin simulation, 3D printing, and we will try the virtual crash analysis. That's why we're selecting the EV Asia, which influences the engineering decisions. Testing ensure that the sustainability does not compromise safety and reliability. Engineers must confirm that the battery perform the safely under the Malaysia tropical climate while maintaining the durability throughout the vehicle. Expected the service life. Environmental testing also evaluates the overall sustainability of the product from the production to the end of the life cycle. The major validation activities we will perform include battery thermal management testing, water weighting test, fast charging validation, endurance the durability testing, crash testing, electromagnetic compatibility testing, battery recycling assessment. For the environmental validation, which we include the carbon footprint measurement, energy efficiency analysis, battery life cycle assessment, and recyclability evaluations. A sustainable concept provides the value to multiple stakeholders. Customer benefit from the lower ownership cost, while Perodua strengthens its market positions as an innovative manufacturer. The society benefits through the improved environment quality, and the government sustainability objective become easier to achieve. The customer lower the operating the costs, lower maintaining costs, improve the driving experience, while the benefit to the company is strengthen the brand reputation, higher market competitiveness, long-term profitability. For the society, the benefits is reduce the greenhouse gas emission, cleaner the urban environment, improve the energy security. For the government, benefits support the national energy transition roadmap, encourage the local EV manufacturing. The sustainability is not limited to the design stage. It influences the every phase of the product life cycle, from the concept generating to recycling. A successful electric vehicle remains the environmentally responsible throughout its operational lifetime. The relationship with the product life cycle is to sustainable the concept impact all phase of the product life cycle. When the introduction, the infrastructure development, and customer educate. When the growth is expanded the production capacity and market acceptance. To the maturity stage, the software will be updated and the product improvement enabled to continuous improvement. During the decline stage, the battery will be recycling, remanufacturing, and transition to the next generation electric vehicle. The sustainability is not just about getting a product out, but is also responsible and of the life management. In conclusion, sustainability concept selection is not simply an environmental initiative, but a strategic business decision. By integrating sustainability from the early stage of product development, Purdue can produce a competitive battery electric vehicles that satisfies the customer expectation while supporting the national sustainability goals and achieve the long-term business growth. The PU geometry and the weight decision metric, it provide the proper decision which are making the tools which reduce the uncertainty and improve the concept selections. The selection is influenced by the product design, prototyping, testing, manufacturing, marketing, and the long-term product success. Thanks for listen to the explanation for me and have a nice day.